If you know, you know. My life is changing, bro. Stay in hustle mode.
What's up, y'all? Bonkeep the Artist reporting live with another haircut. So I was at the shampoo bowl, kept getting a phone call, and this happened.
He's in the studio.
Oh shit! Damn! Oh my god!
I know what's going on.
Fucking me up, man. Damn. I take man, boy, I swear, bro. I'm over here answering damn phone for your ass. Shit! Bro, I forgot to put the disclaimer in there. Please excuse the profanity, but I just wanted to show you that great people mess up as well, okay? And I like to show my mistakes just so you can feel comfortable about your mistakes. However, we're moving along with this haircut, so we're gonna do a blowout temp fade today on my man's. So we had to wash the hair, now we blow dried it. Now we're gonna start off with our detachables. I'm taking my 1.5 detachable on my Andes Super ZR2s. I'm sorry, y'all. I'm using, it's a 4.0 millimeter guard. And even right here, you see he has a cowlet, so I'm taking my 1.5 wall guard. Now this is at 4.5 millimeter. So when you're using detachables, they cut just a little bit closer. And you see I have the example right here. I put it in slow motion for you. All right, so now we're gonna start off by going against the grain on my client's head. Because I know it so well, I know exactly what I have to do. So I'm going against the grain on his temple fade, and I'm gonna go ahead and go over his hairline because it's a lot softer. Because you know, some people, as you grow older, your hair gets softer, so you want to cut it, you have to cut it in different ways. And also you see he has a lump on his occipital bone. All right, now we're taking our razor tooth comb and we're just going around making sure we're getting all the soft hairs, and we want to make sure the whole haircut is even. Now let's start off with our first initial guideline. Because we are doing a blowout temp fade, I'm using my Andes T outliners. Now they do have a Babba's blade on them. I do like it a lot better, I can't lie to you. I mean, I just feel like, you know, Andes, they kind of misstepped when it came to these T outliner blades. Like, they don't hit the same anymore. But that's another discussion for another video. So we're going to take our razor. We always put a fresh razor on each razor holster, all right? And we're going to start our first guideline. The reason why we're starting off with our razor, because like I told y'all in all my other videos, if you're not sure about the hairline, if you want to keep as much new growth as possible, or if the hairline is very light, start off with your razor, because it's going to give you that definition a lot more than your trimmers would. Now your trimmers could be hitting, you can have the best spritz, but start off with that razor. Now we're going to go ahead and screen scrub through the back of his head. I'm using my camera phone, my iPhone, just to be specific. I'm just showing y'all, you know, a little sauce, showing y'all how to do it. I'm not doing a full tutorial on how I'm actually tapering the back of his neck, but if you do want that, please make sure you request it in the comment section, okay? The more views my videos get, the more I will put more into it, I guarantee you. Man, look at those things. Now these are these Sabers by Gamma. Man, look, these things be hit. Matter of fact, I'm sorry, it's made by Stylecraft. It's made by Stylecraft, y'all. These blades, they're remarkable. They're my go-to blades. Like, you still see the line right there. You know what I'm saying? Anyway, so I'm gonna take my Babba's and I'm gonna go ahead and do a little finesse work on the blowout temp fade. And you see I'm staying away from his hairline because it is light. So I'm pretty much blending his taper with the hairline. All right, now this technique right here is the raking technique. We're just raking down the dark areas just to make sure the blend shows a lot better. And then we're gonna go ahead and do a little bit of notching work. I'm using the corner of my blades when I'm notching, okay? So when you're raking, you're going down. When you're notching, you're using the corner of your blades. Food for thought. And let's proceed to the Icy Blue Foam Wrap by Top Tier Hair Club. Sorry, I got a little bit on the forehead, but it's okay because we don't waste product. We even gonna put a couple squirts in the hand, and we're gonna make sure we massage it throughout the head so we can moisturize the scalp and also lay the hair down. Now I did wipe off his forehead and everything, so we're at the hairline again. Now we did do the first hairline, this is the second. When you're doing $100 haircuts, you have to make sure these things last, okay? The main thing that needs to last is the hairline. I can't lie, y'all. I do miss these angles, so I'm showing y'all both angle views. I'm using my camera phone to show you the up close angle, and I'm also using my DSLR to show you the far away angle, just to show you the type of strokes that I'm doing. You see I'm combing all the hair out because I want you to see how soft his hairline is. And this is no pencil line or anything. That's just straight razor. Just to be specific. Taking my time with it, okay? Make sure it's okay. Now we're gonna add the pencil line. And the only reason why I'm adding the pencil line is just to make sure the hairline is even, because I want to make sure my client's hairline actually contours his forehead. I don't want to push it back in a U shape. I want to make sure it's staying in the box as much as possible. So in order to make sure everything is perfectly symmetric, I like to use the pencil line. And also, you know, it adds a little bit of effect on it, you know, when he walks out the shop, because like I said, his hair color is more of an ashy black. It looks dark right here, but the closer you get to it, it does have an ashy black feel to it. So it's not, and then with his skin tone being a darker skin tone, it makes it hard for that hairline to really stand out. So the best thing that we can do, and especially without him wanting enhancements, is to add that pencil line, y'all. All right, so that do-rag gotta come on, and we gotta put that blow dryer on it. We laid that hair down. Now we're gonna razor out that pencil line. I hate seeing pencil lines that are not smeared out. If you're gonna do this technique, at least do it correctly. That's all I ask. Please do it correctly. People make videos to show you how this is done. So there's no reason why we still should be seeing unsmeared pencil lines. And you see I'm taking my time. Look at my wrist, it's staying steady. And I'm just going straight across the forehead. My client, he understands he has to be still. Cause you know, even though he's talking, he still knows, hey, I can't move too much. But right here, he was shaking his head, I can't lie to you. Moving along, make sure you take your trimmer blades and take the residue line out after you use the razor blade, okay? That is a must. Now, I'm sorry, I did cut y'all short because I couldn't find the video of me having the up close shot. You can see my phone is recording, but I just can't find the up close shot of me taking the residue line out. I'm sorry. But here is the mirror check. My client looking at it, you know the hairline type. Boy, you know the hairline type. Stop playing. That's $100 cut right there. If you don't believe it, you a hater. I'm sorry. But we're gonna go ahead and hit that oil sheen on my client. We can't have his scalp looking dry. And we did hit a hot towel on him. I'm sorry I didn't put that clip in there, but you have to make sure we moisturize the face properly. And we're gonna go ahead and hit him with the astringent. I want to show y'all that, hey, the pencil line is still there, the hairline is still there. But I appreciate y'all for watching. Like, comment, subscribe. Von Keith is out.
Stay in hustle mode. Got some brand new clothes. Hit them with a pose. Check what I just drove. My car don't touch the road.